This channel receives millions of views and thousands of dollars as well. This is the simplest kind of content made by AI that you can find on YouTube. It's super easy to use. Today, I will show you all the instruments and secrets that people use to make money in this niche. So, listen carefully and do not skip any part of this video, as all the details are very important. Now, we are ready to dive into this video and begin. We need to analyze the videos that our competitors make. As we can see, their recent videos have received millions and hundreds of thousands of views. This indicates that this niche is quite popular, and we can confidently create content in this area, knowing that there is a high probability of gaining a large number of views. We'll use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate images for our content. As Midjourney is now paid, so I will use Leonardo AI. Our goal is to create unique images of Marvel superheroes in unusual situations. For example, I will create a cat version of Spider-Man. I am giving a prompt, which was generated by ChatGPT. Leonardo AI will take some time for generating the images. Look at these images. Just awesome. I prefer this one, so I'll download it. Now go to the prompt box again and change only the character name and generate the images. You'll need to repeat this process 7 more times to get images for one video. After downloading all the images, go to Google Image and search for your character image and add ping. Most time it will provide you backgroundless images. Download the image for all the characters. Next, go to Canva. Here, we'll create the final versions of the images we created. Click on Presentation from here and then select Mobile first. Upload the images we made in Leonardo AI and download from Google Image. Select one Marvel character from the Upload tab. Adjust the size according to the canvas size. Then add a similar character download from Google. Sometimes Ping images also have a background. In this case, you can remove the background with Canva. Click on Edit Photo and then select Background Remove. But it's a premium feature. If you are a free user, then I have another option for you. You can use Remove BG for removing the background. Alright, after completing the first image, click on Add Page from here and do repeat the same process. After editing all the images, click the Share button from here. Now select Download. Change the image type to JPG. Make sure all of your pages are selected. Then hit the Download button. It will download as a zip file. Extract the file with any zip software. Now go to CapCut. It's a free video editor. You can use the online version also. I have installed the desktop version. After coming to CapCut, import all of the images, and then insert all images into the editor timeline. Now we will add animation to our images. You can add transitions from here also. Now we will add background music for our video. CapCut has a vast library of background music. Select the best music. After that, adjust the length according to the video timeline. After all is set, click on the Export button. It will take some time. Alright, our video is now ready. Let's upload it to our channel. In my previous video, I explained how can you create a brand new channel. I will put the video link in the description. Okay, our video is uploaded successfully. Let's enjoy the video. In conclusion, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching, and good luck.